You have one job.
He flew off right when I was about to grab him.
He dove. He's gone.
I know, we can fix that. Oh, I'm wet.
Why are you such a klutz?
I didn't think that it was deep here.
Go boy, come on. Good dog. Hang on, I got a thing. Here, up. Good job, buddy. Here, and. Oh, he's still alive. And. Good job, pal. And. Oh boy. Good job, pal. Good dog. Here. He's like, is it really dead though? Good boy, come on. Is it? Oh, you shot a green wing. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh gosh. Here. Come on. Here. Smoke. Come on. You're supposed to bring it here. Come on. Pick it up. No, pick it up. Yeah, it's cold. Pick it up. Hand. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Good boy. Hand. Let go. Hand. Good job. Oh. Good dog. Here. Good boy, good boy. Did you see that? He looked at me and I was like that. He goes, all right. And I was like, yay. Okay, that fourth one, where did it come from? That fourth one, where did it come from? Dog, hand. Good dog. Dead bird. Go get him. Over. Hey, Smoke. Over. Go get him. Not that way. Oh, you breaking ice. Find him. He's so funny. I think you might see it. Good dog. Here. Good job, buddy. If I had my hair tied, it'd help a little bit, but good dog. Here. Here. Come on. Hand. Good dog. All right. Good job, pal. You did such a good job. Good job. Good dog. Here. Good boy. Come over here. Come on. Where'd you go? Come on. Over here. Come on. Good dog. Hand. Oh, he's still alive. Good dog, bub. I wish I got that one on camera. That fell straight down right here. Good dog. Here. Hand. Huh? Hand. Let go. Hey, good job. Those are big dogs. Holy, he's huge. Okay, Smoke, dead bird, back. Boy, come on. Good dog, come on. Good job, bub. Come here. Here. Yeah, he's still alive. Good job, bub. Here. Hand. Come on. I know he's still alive. Come here. Smoke. Come on. Here. Come on. Here. Here. Come on. Oh, you're peeing. Okay, come on. Let's go. Here. Hand. Good job, bud. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, come on. Let's go. Dead bird, let's go. Go find him. Dead bird, let's go. God dang. I'm tired. Yeah, he's small, bro. Oh, leave it. Yeah, I think I've seen him. I think so. What's this? What? Oh, honey! Smoke, Deborah! Oh my God, hon! Right here, get him! Right here, smoke, right here! Dude, you have one job!
He flew off right when I was on the ground.
He dove! He's gone! Dude, I don't know where he is. You better just hope he surfaces. That's the only way you're gonna find him. You had one job.
You just threw him here and then I was about to grab him and he flew off.
I threw him right in front of you. Oh my Lord.
You didn't wring his neck?
I did. Right here. Oh. Come on, surface up.
And me.
Jeez. Okay, come on. Let's go. Deborah. Hey. Hey, smoke. 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 Over. Go. Come on. Hey. Smoke. Smoke. Over. I think I see it. It's just behind you, bud. Smoke. 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 Back. No, 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 no. Here. Back. 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 Smoke. Back. Hey. Back. Almost had it. Alright, there we go. Good boy! Here! Good job, buddy. Come here. No. And come on. You can do it. I can't turn around. Come on. Smoke. Here. Come on. Here. Hand. 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 Yes, he's dead. You didn't gotta make sure. He did. Teal. Green wing teal. But I shot a female. Okay, come on. Go. Okay, go. You broke. Why would you grab that? Oh my God. Are you okay?
Is it broken?
Yes. Look at the top. Look at the top.
Oh no, this is fix that.
This snapped off.
Oh, we can fix that. Oh, I'm wet.
Why are you such a klutz?
I didn't think that it was deep here.
It doesn't. I know, but why would you hold this? This isn't supposed to hold your weight, dummy.
Okay, but I was gonna fall in the water, so of course I'm gonna hold it.
Okay. I didn't know you were falling in.
You see me in the water.
I thought you were gonna put your foot in.
No.
Okay, come on.
Oh my God. I'm cold. I'm scratched. No.
I gotta get down. Oh, did he find it? Got it. Good boy. Pick it up. Good dog. Here. Good boy. Come on. You're peeing. I know. Come on. Come on.
Like, what is this?
I know. Come on. We gotta find the other one. The other one's huge. It's bigger than this one. I don't want to shoot a shell. I don't have more shells.
I have shells. 2 3/4.
Oh.
You
Good dog.
want to do it?
Hand. Good dog. There you go. Good dog. Okay, come on, go back.